We're Murray, Heather, Eve, and Pearl Ginnick. We're a Canadian family of 4 who is always planning our next adventure. Winters are long and summers are short, so we try to make the most of each season. Oh, and if you're new here, in September 2022, we bought this project sailboat. Our plan is to get the boat splash ready for sometime in 2025 so we can sail south. Join us if you like watching boat work, roadside adventures, and trips to escape the winter blues. Hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on Ginnick's on the Go. What are you making, honey?
Anniversary dinner.
What else in it?
It's a lobster boil from East Coast Lodge.
Look at that feast. I know what you're thinking, right? Man, did I hit the jackpot when I married him. Seriously though, we were celebrating our 13th wedding anniversary with dinner. Calories don't count on your wedding anniversary, right? It's become our tradition that we have dinner and then I put on my wedding dress, which reminds me not only of the day that we got married, but also to stop eating chocolate. How was your supper? Your seafood boil?
Good.
Yeah?
That was actually pretty good.
Yep.
How was your supper?
That was good.
Yeah, you enjoyed your seafood boil?
Yeah.
Dad got over here. Ooh, strawberries.
You want ice cream on yours?
And ice cream. And my seafood boil was delicious. Still have my bib on for ice cream. And with another anniversary in the books and the kids off to their first day of school, it was back to boat work for us. All right, it's the first day the kids are back to school, so we're back to boat work. And today we need to sand off the back, acetone, and then we're going to start applying Bondo. Yes, I know we're only partially done the primer, but we have to do what we have time for. And today we don't have time to paint the whole boat, so we're going to get some of the stuff done at the back. Okay, so a slight change of plans. We're going to prime today. Murray is going to do the dump run that he wanted to do today on Saturday, so kids will like that. So we've just about finished sanding now. Murray's just finishing sanding up the stuff that requires the little finger sander. Some of those, I don't know what they're called, the little through hole things that go through the bulwarks. And then we will acetone the boat and start priming. Get this boat watertight soon. Because I've had absolutely enough of pumping water out of the bilge. That's the fun part. Okay, so we've finished sanding the boat and Murray has gone home to have a bite to eat and have a shower so he can get the fiberglass dust off of him. I'm gonna stay here and acetone the boat because I want to get this done. I had something to eat just before we came over here. And hopefully I can have the boat acetoned and we'll be timing it so that he's pretty much back within a few minutes of me getting that done. So I have to acetone the cockpit and then basically the back, the uprights, all the deck. So part of that is going to be, it's going to be a little bit hard to figure out what to acetone first. So maybe I'll actually call him.
Hello?
Okay, so if I'm gonna acetone, I'm gonna do the cabin top and the back first, right?
Floor of the
Cockpit.
would be good.
Yeah, that too. Should I be doing the sides of the cabin top, or
I would think you're doing that all at the same time. The floor, the side, the outside edge as you walk your way around, right?
So we'll do that. You want me to do the first side of that? That's like we can get to from up top.
Sure. Yeah, you don't want to be. You don't want to acetone a spot.
That
It's
you can
also
walk
windy out there, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna have dust blowing around no matter what. So you're just trying to minimize that dust.
Okay.
So I wouldn't acetone so you're kind of close to doing it. So like again, yeah, we can do the floor and then the rest of the deck.
Okay.
And then we work our way around. But I don't want to be up there rolling if I've got dust all over me. Like that's my thing right now. That's why I'm having a shower.
So you want me to have a shower before we do this?
Well, I would at least recommend changing. You had a long sleeve shirt on. At least that.
Okay. I'll come and change then. Okay. So there we go. I'm going to head home. I'm going to go and change. And then we're not going to get any dust into the primer. Let's do this.
I must be loud.
Breaking Bad.
Oh, this would make good blue stuff, wouldn't it?
Except it turns brown.
It turns hard. Well, it's still blue.
Without the hardness.
I think what we did before was 2.5 and 5.
Yep. That's the primer.
This is the part that isn't real big deal.
And then you reduce that yet, eh?
Yeah.
10%.
We're going to splash it up there. Like, even when we were doing auto body, this is kind of similar to that.
Mm-hmm.
Which should just give us longer
Working time. Ah, come on. Oh, some little feather, whatever this is, fell into my cockpit.
Two feathers over there, drop a feather. Look at that.
I always eddy one feather.
Bear bite.
That old Eddie bear bite down there. I can't recall the story of why Eddie's called bear bite, but I think it's something about getting attacked by a bear on the highway. Is that right? Yeah.
Nibble on his arm, eh?
Got a nibble. I guess it wasn't fully hungry. That or didn't like the taste.
I wanted it.
Like, this one's got too much bone. I wanted some more meat. Hey, that bear wanted a full meal. He didn't just want an appetizer.
It's the bear bite story. I don't think I didn't tell it properly.
You did, but I don't remember it. Well, then you heard that there's one that's wandering around Westport, eh? A bear? Don't get eaten by them. Maybe he's come back to finish you off. Yeah. Yeah. Block or two away. Other side of James Street. Probably visiting with that trash panda you left over there. With the boat finally primed, we waited a few hours before covering it so that we'd be able to work on it the next day. With the fall weather, we have to cover the boat, otherwise the dew settles on the top, and then we have to wait until it dries, and that can sometimes take until the next afternoon. Next time on Ginnix on the Go. So Dad is teaching the girls Bondo.
Sure, but I'm going to show you what we're going to do, okay?
Yeah.